Hello guys, in this video we will see how to obtain a complex number C which lies on the line drawn between Z1 and Z2. These are two complex numbers, fixed points in the complex plane, and you are supposed to find Z such that the length between these two and the length between these two have a ratio of n is to m. So you have seen this type of problem on the Cartesian plane. Now we are gonna redo this problem for complex numbers as well. So you're gonna have to find the complex number C such that it divides this line by n is to m ratio. Right. So first what we do is here that I'm gonna write this one in Cartesian form, and I'm gonna name this x comma y. So this complex number is given by x and y, which means x plus iy. So this is x2 plus iy2. This is x1 plus y1, iy1. Now from coordinates theories, you know that x coordinate can be written by using these two coordinates and this ratio. How to do is this ratio multiplied by this coordinate, n multiplied by x2, this ratio multiplied by this x coordinate, m x1 divided by the addition of the ratios, n plus m. Also, the y coordinate can be obtained as the same way, ny2 plus my1 divided by n plus m. Right. Now what is C? So C can be written as x plus iy, x plus iy. So let me get rid of this for the moment. X plus iy, I will use this space since I have run out of the space here. So C is x is n x2 plus m x1 divided by n plus m, I times n y1 divided by m y2 n plus m. Okay, let's rearrange the terms. Since n plus m is common, let me take the common denominator here. You get nx2 and m my2. We can rearrange these terms by nx2 plus, I think I made a mistake here. Yes, sorry, this should be 2 and this should be 1, right? nx2 plus I n y2, then mx1 plus I m y1 divided by n plus 1. So what is this term? This term is n times x2 plus I y2. This term m times x1 plus I y1 divided by n plus m. So finally you obtain this can be represented by z2 n z2 plus this one m z1 divided by n plus m. See how easy it is? It's very easy. So instead of Cartesian coordinates, so when we are dealing with Cartesian plane, you have to mention each coordinate used in this relationship. Now when it comes to complex numbers, you know that you just have to multiply it by the complex number itself, n by z2 and m by z1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, thank you.